Let's see where the effect of this. Honestly, if I'm thinking in this place, there's probably a geocache somewhere in the woods.
I think a lot of those videos are fake. Like the people plant the stuff and then act like they found it. You know what I mean?
There's some.
Some of them, the guys, like the stuff they do to find it. I'm like, there's no way you figure that out, dude. Like they're like reaching under like lips on like bricks and finding loose bricks and stuff. I'm like, yeah, okay.
Sometimes you can just tell. Like there's some bricks that look like really real. And then there's some places like there are like holes and like next to bricks. It's weird. I could scare like a whole predator off with my costume. Like
You're not hiding from them, that's for sure.
What's that?
He said he could scare the predator off with his costume. And I said, you're not hiding from him, that's for sure.
I could probably hide in like a dandelion field. Actually, that probably work. Dandelion. Except the black shoes.
So this does a big loop and comes back to here?
Yep.
Is there anything else that diverts off where you can keep going or no?
I don't know.
We can always find out. we came here for Pokemon Go. It's so fun.
I like some of the what's it called? Mountain bike places you see these guys going with the wood, where they got the wood drop-ins and everything. Like,
yeah, I've been wanting to go on a trail just to go my mountain bike. Like zoom past until you hit someone. It's not that fun.
There's a place in North Jersey. It's a water park in the summer and a mountain bike park and zipline park all in one. It's on a mountain. And it's a ski resort in the winter, but in the summer you use the ski lift with your mountain bike and you go up the mountain on the ski lift and you ride your bike down.
That's one way to do it.
That's pretty cool.
I see the creek is right over there.
Yeah, remember that one time we saw a lab dog?
I don't know what the sign's about.
It's the Boy Scout trail.
Oh, that makes sense.
Dad, remember that one time we came here and we were down by the creek and we saw a lab dog.
We saw a bunch of dogs here.
And the owners were like throwing a ball in the water so the dog would go get it.
Yeah.
You want to hear one of the funniest stories about a dog park?
What?
I was at Medford Dog Park with my dog Maya, right? You remember my dog?
Yeah.
She looked like Allie's stature. Well, like Fujo's stature also, like, but she was brindle colored. I brought her over a couple times. So she was running around with this dog. Nobody else was there. It was a holiday. So she's running around with this dog by the creek. And in the creek, there's this little channel that goes up and it's just a big bubble, and that's it. There's no, the water just sits there stagnant. The creek's over here, and there's a little pool over here, right?
Yeah.
So they're running around. The lady's talking to us for a minute, and my girlfriend at the time is looking the opposite direction. I'm talking to the lady. She calls her dog. She's like, "Have a great day." I'm like, "You too."
This is one of the spots you walk over to the creek.
Oh, it ain't even moving.
No, it seems pretty still today.
Yeah, so she calls her dog, right?
Yeah.
And it's like, come on, whatever. And she turns around and she starts walking away. Well, they didn't pay attention to her. And they come and they hit her.
It's a puppy.
Yeah. Puppy dog.
Just a little puppy. Yeah. Puppy. So both dogs come around the turn.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Hanging in there.
And they hit her.
Going for a
They
walk.
hit her in the back of the knees, right? Like full speed, like plow right through her legs. She does a backflip in the air and lands in that stagnant water pool, right?
Mm-hmm.
And she, right before that happened, she said, "Have a great day." So Siri turns around. She's like, "You too." And she's like, "Where'd she go?" I said, "She's in the fucking creek." She's like, "What do you mean?" I said, "She's in the fucking creek." She's still underwater at this point. Like, she comes out the water. Oh my god! My keys, my phone. Dude,
Oh my god.
I was recording them come around and I hit the stop button as it happened.
Look, you're about to hit trees.
It's alright.
That does not sound like a fun day. Little mouse?
The
I
fuck
think
was
so. I
that?
think it was a field mouse.
Little mouse.
I was making sure it wasn't a snake.
Yeah, well, it would be the first time I saw a snake on the trail.
But yeah, dude, crazy. Like, it would have been a viral video, like 100%. Sherry's like, you too? Where'd she go? I'm like,
she gone. She's in the water.
dude, she did a full flip into the water.
Did she stick the landing? That's the question.
No, she was upside down when she went in the water. Like,
oh yeah, that's no fun.
yeah, I think that's what took her so long to come out, is she couldn't figure out which way was up. You know what I mean? Like, she was just flailing around trying to figure out
what was what.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another way to get to the creek right there, or just another trail part.
I like when it keeps branching off. The one we went to today, we looked to see where it ends. It goes all the way to the fucking Poconos, dude.
Holy shit.
I was like, have you ever just kept going? She's like, no. I was like, where do you think it goes? She's like, I don't know. We looked at the map. She's like, it goes all the way to my old town in the Poconos.
My friend went to the
right. Oh yeah, there is another trail.
My friend went to the Poconos like a month ago. During the winter time.
Come on, Ark.
I know, I saw it. That's like the third butterfly I saw.
The creek is running low today.
Yeah.
Even the what's it called? All the puddles. That was a snake.
Oh what?
Even the puddles for what's it called? The trails all the way where I ride my bike. Every single one of them is dry as a bone.
Look at all that duck meat. All that duck meat. We've been down this trail before, Dad.
Yeah.
I remember this now. It was very muddy last time we came down here.
Well, last time the water was much higher.
It was raining, I thought. Right? Well, that's the first snake I saw on the trail.
Hmm?
Was that really on the trail, next to the trail?
Yeah, it was a tiny. I don't know what it was. I just saw the tail of it slither away.
Probably just like a gardener snake or something.
It looked like it was only about that fucking big, to be honest with you. It wasn't a big snake.
I won't be surprised if there's like a couple good fish under that.
Oh, here we go. Maybe that's why this is just some like. Oh, it's all dammed up.
Till like you get right there.
But
Actually,
here
yeah.
it's flowing here.
Yeah.
Oh, you see the fish?
Oh no, I didn't. We need to go fishing here one time, Dad. Look at so much duckweed. Look over there. Oh look, someone's property over there.
Hmm?
I think that's someone's property because they have a feeding stand, like a deer feeding stand.
No, they just have a license to hunt.
Or that, yeah.
If it's
Probably fish right there.
Probably. Probably was some gold over there too. Looks beautiful.
I guess that's the oil company.
You never know what you're gonna find out here.
Should have used the bug spray in my car before we left. I didn't think about it. I got some backwoods or whatever it is, deep woods.
Yeah. I haven't seen. There's a little bit around my face.
What?
I saw like one bug around my face, but that's all.
It like hasn't been that bad. I was more ticks is my concern.
Oh.
I've already had one. I had one on my eyebrow.
Oh.
It was like walking. It was like walking across my eyebrow, and I happened to like. That feels funny. I went like this, and I just pulled it in one quick swoop, pulled it right off. I was like, oh shit.
Well, at least you got it.
Yeah, I got him.
I had a
Luckily.
like I had like a deer. I had a deer tick on my hand before.
Mm-hmm.
With the diamond on his back, the white diamond. Oh dear. He running.
I decided to stop. Like, what the fuck?
Who are you? Had a look. Water's so beautiful. Oh, you hit the tree.
Mm-hmm.
All I hear is a knocking noise. I was like, what?
I figured it was gonna hit. I wanted to see. I got to get used to judging the height for my own, you know, like by
You still see that tree back there?
instead of just guessing.
You see how fucking big these trees are?
Hmm.
The
Yeah, I know.
Beautiful tree, though.
It's gonna go over one day.
One day. Like this tree, too. This one's leaning.
Oh yeah, there's definitely other places to go.
Yeah, we've been to this part. Actually, that's the second time, because the other time, there's a snake went under this. So wait, which way are we going?
I don't have to be guys. We can do whatever, man. I'll keep going. When we want to quit, we can quit. I don't care.
I don't care.
Don't matter to me. My only concern, like I said, was sticks. It's a little late for that. We're in it already. We ain't getting out without getting one of them, so.
Yeah. I'm still chilling, though. Alright, follow that, I guess.
Look at that big hammer jam.
Yeah. Still a very beautiful tree. Leaves are starting coming out too now, so that's pretty good. That was a lot more beautiful if they all get in.
Oh, there's a snake.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, cool.
Right there.
Oh, that's so cool.
Is it a rat?
No, it's a garden snake.
That's so cool.
It's not black.
You want to look at it better, Xander? He's chilling there.
It's disappearing now.
There he goes. Look. Look.
Oh, no, pretty sick. Alright, let's move alone.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to disturb them too much. You know? I always like how someone will go in front of me and say, copperheads, you know? Not very friendly. I hate bees with a passion, but I gotta know them.
Yeah, I'm not.
I'm not a fan either. And especially how our house is always has some carpenter bees and stuff. Me and my big feet would scare away the snakes. You know?
Oh, they're not trying to attack nobody.
Especially not garden snakes.
I know them. Oh.
I heard some, but I don't know where it is.
So it's right there.
Yes, it's over here.
Oh, there it goes.
They're garden snake.
Yeah, it's another garden snake.
They're all over here.
That freaked
Oh
me.
boy.
Ooh. Ready for something.
Bum, bum, bum.
Well, won't be the first time it's like out here.
Well, the amount of that thunder right there, we'll feel the breeze coming before we feel the rain. So.
I ain't gonna lie to you, that scared me when cause I didn't see it at all. I thought it was like a mouse or something. Man, my snake counter went up. I feel like he flipped that over. I feel like a snake could hide right in that. That looks so nice. Looks so nice for a snake. Beautiful creatures. Garden snakes blended really well.
Yeah, they did. I didn't see it at all.
I heard it. That's all.
Yeah.
I saw it move. Didn't see it.
See, that's
Yeah,
pretty.
I just heard.
Yeah, I heard it and like someone did.
So what do you think of this trail so far, Grover?
It's nice.
Yeah. Some litter back there sometimes.
I just like going different places, man.
Yeah, just taking nice walks and stuff is just like really common sometimes. Getting your mind off and stuff.
Yeah.
I need to start getting used to like my. I need to like my asthma needs to start going back outside.
Look at that tree.
Yeah, the twin tree.
That's a triplet.
Triplet tree. We took a picture of that tree before.
I think we did.
Yeah, Mom. But there's all the small trees weren't there.
It's a monster.
Some trees older than. Well,
Just think about it. All this area used to look like this.
yeah. Undisturbed. Thankfully. It's like.
That's why you need enduro bikes to ride around and clear the woods out, make some paths.
Yeah, like. This is nice.
Let us do our thing.
Yeah, oh, this is already warm, but like it's getting down. It's going down because of the winter. Then when fall comes around, then it goes down again. And eventually the path is like somewhat covered up.
I hear some.
Rush
I
of
hear a
water.
waterfall.
Oh. No, Dad, that's a big water monster. 100%.
Godzilla comes out of the raincoats.
I haven't seen a waterfall here once yet.
I don't know how it's a waterfall on flat land.
Or maybe it's like twins.
Maybe it's them up there pumping
Oh
stuff.
yeah, that's a pump septic place.
Man, you know fun. Look, the marks.
Not the type of waterfall I was hoping for.
Exactly. I was hoping for like.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah, caught a root. Like with the tip of my toes, so it sent me fucking. It got me good.
Yeah. I always like look down, but I should be looking forward.
Well, you're supposed to really look forward and memorize the time it takes to get to your feet get to that.
Oh, that. Well,
Grover, be careful. There's a lot of roots.
yeah, a lot.
Yeah, that one that I hit was just. It's not that there was a lot of them. It blended in, and it was just a tiny little nub. So I didn't see it. Sloth.
Sloth? Yeah, that word. I thought it said sloth. My vocabulary is getting a lot better.
That's good.
Well, my words of choice is always good, but it's my spelling.
It's always going to expand.
You were hoping we found a snake, were you?
Salamander.
Where?
That's what I was hoping for.
Oh. Might find some salamander in that one. No.
Have you ever seen a salamander?
It's pretty much a lizard, Dad. Water lizard.
There's a worm.
That's something. You can probably find one under there, Dad. That one.
No, I ain't doing all that.
You'll probably find one in here too. That's cool.
Little bridge.
Yeah. Like a little
Limbo.
Yeah. You can sell that too. Like that's a bench. Nature's bench. And you got the water behind you. Water scenery. Yeah, a lot of roots. Look at that. That's nice. You can walk through that. That's nice. Yeah, look at that.
The tree laying alongside is still alive.
Oh, fish too. The fish. Oh, there's a tree in front of us. We gotta step over. It looks.
I think we'll make it.
I think we will. I think we could just go over it. Oh, yeah. I think a tree's gonna stop us.
Do you like these?
Those are.
Necros?
Necros are great.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. My buddy hates on them. Hates on Necros.
Yeah, they're good, but you know what it reminds me of? Pepto-Bismol.
Oh yeah.
Because the one that you got.
Yellow.
I thought you gave him white.
No, I ate white.
No, it's like the shape and stuff, and like the powder on top. But the overall flavor is really good.
The powder just they don't stick together.
Yeah. Man,
That shit does not sound friendly.
we got trees. I'm calling. You be a safe somewhere in here.
And then it's like it's sunny as fuck.
Mm-hmm.
It's like
Logic.
sun.
Logic. Welcome to Derby.
And then it's gonna start pouring.
Actually, no, that's more like Florida.
Yeah. And then it's gonna start pouring. Then hailing on the other side of us. Then a rainbow over there. That's Florida. Florida's crazy with their weather.
Mm-hmm.
This is really open.
It's really.
Like not a lot of trees. Never on this. What's your name, Dad? Ground floor. This way? Oh, look at that. I bet something's living under there. What was that? Oh, we'll see a cool picture. Oh, we'll see what the bird I took pictures of this morning.
What is it?
It was a bird.
From this morning?
Yeah, this is a spider I found earlier. That's from our bathroom too.
Where? Where is it?
What?
Where is it?
On the bike.
I can't see. Oh, the yellow bird?
Yeah.
Can you zoom in? Oh yeah. It's cute.
Yeah.
I've never seen a bird like that before. What is it? You know?
No, I had no idea.
I think it's a type of finch.
I was thinking like that bird we rescued during the winter like a couple years ago. I thought it was that. It was like golden finch, right?
Yeah, golden finch. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was too.
Are they rare for here? I've never seen one.
No, I think they're like a state bird.
Yeah, the state
Oh,
bird.
are you serious?
Golden finch.
Yeah, I think they are, but I think they're also going extinct.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
that's it. We saved one during winter, but it died.
But mortality rates are high in the first year due to stress.
Oh, golden finch.
Okay.
Yeah, I must have done
in
that.
New Jersey.
I thought I was going to hurt you.
According to All About Birds, this handsome little finch, the state bird of New Jersey's
It's a
Iowa
state bird. That's what I thought.
is welcome and common in winters, where it takes primarily sunflower and migrant. Goldfinches often flock with pine siskins and common redwoods.
That's
That
cool.
fucking humidity has definitely picked up a notch.
Yeah, that's probably the rain in the distance.
Yeah,
Got a nice cloud coming in overhead.
yeah.
I think if we would have kept going that way, we would have went next to the field.
What field?
There's a big farm field over there.
Yeah, I remember that. Me and Jim went there once. When you guys stayed at the little flips. Oh, there you go. Oh, we got a nice breeze.
To be honest with you, that thunder's making me nervous.
Why?
Because I don't want to get stuck out here in the middle of a severe thunderstorm. We're supposed to get severe thunderstorms.
Oh.
Let me check their thing.
No, it don't matter right now.
I was just
We'll make one lap.
like all this is like. Have you been down this way?
Me?
I'm actually my dad.
Oh.
I know you haven't
Yeah,
been
but I
here.
don't remember all the leaves here. I remember being clear, like
Yeah, well,
more defined trail.
yeah, following that. And you don't know, that trail could have been going that way by now.
Bigger than I thought it'd be.
Yeah.
Like when we got here, I didn't expect it to be this big when we started walking.
Oh, it's pretty big.
Yeah. There's so many trails off, but you can see so much wildlife. And it's also like people walking here doesn't disturb the wildlife that much. Let's feel like they're sitting right there next to the trail. Or you're like my dad earlier, poking at it with a stick.
I'm gonna stick my thumb up its butt.
That really get it angry. I can't say the other word. Am I able to say that word?
What word?
You guys
Say it when I ask you.
pissed off.
I guess so.
That would really make you pissed off. It wasn't angry, it was pissed off. That's what I said.
How old are you now?
13.
Oh, okay.
Look at the bamboo thing.
Hey, look at this.
Huh.
Oh, frog.
Oh, I didn't see
It's a
you.
tree frog. Oh no, it's a toad.
Makes sense, I guess. Nice find.
Yeah, I didn't notice it.
Yeah, me either. People did really well. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh wow, that's a big bamboo.
That's what I said.
Jeez. Chisholm used to collect. Me and Chisholm used to collect poles. Never this big though. Small ones and make little cane poles.
I think this trail will bring us back up to that bridge.
The
Construction bridge?
four-way type thing we ran at?
Yeah.
Okay.
That little wooden bridge.
Yeah, where you said there was a snake under it?
Yeah. Last time we came here, yeah. With Junior. Junior said he saw one. My dad hates sticks. So I just watch his back. I don't see any still though. Oh wait, we have a
That
split off.
thunder's getting more and more frequent.
Dad,
It's raining right now.
we have a split off.
I can feel the rain myself.
Yeah, well, when we were
I
at
haven't felt it yet.
Acme, I felt it.
You can hear it landing. Stop walking.
Oh, I can hear it.
Yeah, now I can hear it. Yeah, I feel it out. It probably won't be that long. It might be like,
Well, we're in the woods. We'll be all right.
yeah. My dad doesn't want to get stuck though.
No, but we won't get that wet.
No, we won't. You guys might be able to see through my shirt if I do get wet though. Yellow is like white kind of. Yeah, you can see through it a little bit.
Oh, you scared your titties to show?
Maybe. It's not titties, Dad. It's moves. Get it right. That's what I tell all my friends too. No, beetle. Oh, beetle. Yeah. What about that? It's your black though.
Paul McCartney?
Huh?